God.
Go ahead.
Again?
Oh, it's gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories in the morning. I'm making waffles.
I am a Spanish genius. In Espanol, my nickname is El Tigre Chino. Because my knowledge will bite her face off.
This is a guy telling his Latino friend that their soccer team finally broke their losing streak. What we won, one is what we won. It was 1-1 for the longest time, then we won. Penalty kicks.